This animal eats sharks for breakfast. Meet the orca, the real boss of the ocean. They don't just hunt, they plan. They hunt in teams. And they teach their kids how to kill. Different orca families have different cultures. Some eat fish, some hunt seals, some hunt sharks. Great white sharks literally leave entire areas when orcas show up. Orcas are at the top of the food chain. They have no natural predators. And here's the weird part. They almost never attack humans. The smartest predator on Earth, choosing not to kill us.